In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your mouse cursor in Roblox to a custom cursor like you see on the screen now. So we can do this in just a few easy steps. Now, step one is you need to head over to an internet browser, and from the search engine, just type in icon8 and hit enter. Then you want to head over to this website, icons8.com, and in the search box, just type in the word cursor and hit enter. And then from here, we have a bunch of free custom cursors that we can choose from that we can use in our Roblox game. So I'm just going to choose this cursor here, but you can choose whichever one you like. Then go and click the download button, make sure PNG is selected, and then you need to adjust the size to custom and make sure it's set to 64 by 64. You can also uncheck this option here, so the only one we want checked is the custom size 64 by 64, and then scroll down to the bottom and hit download. So now head over to the downloads folder on your computer, and if it downloaded in a zip file, you may first need to extract the photos out of it. Once you have the PNG file, you're going to drag this image over to your desktop like so, and then we can head over to our desktop and we can now find the custom mouse cursor. So what you need to do is right click on this cursor, come over to show more options, click on copy, and then you're just going to right click somewhere on the screen, click on show more options, and then select paste. So now as you can see, we have two versions of our mouse cursor like so. And you can even put these inside of a folder just to make it easier to access later on. So we're going to drag these inside of here. And the next thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and just search for Roblox Player. Now you need to make sure you have the web version of Roblox installed and not the Microsoft Store version. And once you've located Roblox Player, you can right click on this and select Open File Location. Then you can right click on the Roblox Player and once again select Open File Location. And then from this folder, scroll all the way up to the top. Click on Content, click on Textures, and then click on the Cursors folder. Come inside of the keyboard and mouse, and inside of this folder, you'll see the default mouse cursors for Roblox, which are these two here. So what you need to do is just click on the name of the first cursor in the image, and you want to select all of the text, right click and select Copy. Once you've copied this text, we're then going to head over to the folder on our desktop that we just saved these custom ones to. And then what you're going to do is rename the image of this to the text that we just copied. So it should say arrowcursor.png like so. And then you can head back over to the Roblox folder. And we're going to do the exact same thing for this second one as well. So we're just going to copy all of this text here, right click and select copy, then head back over to the custom folder with our mouse cursors. And we're also going to replace the name of this one. So I'm going to get rid of all this text and then just paste that inside of here. So that one should say arrowcursor.png. Once you've renamed these two custom image files, you then need to open back up the Roblox folder, and I'm just going to drag it over to the right like so. And what we're going to do is drag our custom cursor files over to the Roblox folder like so. And that will pop up with this message, and you just need to click replace the files in the destination. If you get this message pop up, select do this for all current items and press continue. And as you can see, that's now replaced the mouse cursors in this folder. So now all you need to do is head over to the Roblox player on your computer and launch it up. Sign in with your Roblox account. And you can already see here on the screen that our mouse cursor has changed. And if you now launch up any Roblox experience, you can see now that we've successfully changed our mouse cursor in Roblox. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.